What's he doing, Hudson?
Licking. I don't know why I have so much bird food. I just have a little bit. He just wants my cup.
You can't give him the cup. Hang on to the cup tight.
He's gonna jump off. I don't want to get him down, but
He'll jump off when he's ready, Nathan. You're doing good.
I can't hold the bird longer.
Is he heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy. I can't hold too much longer.
He's out of nectar. He won't hang around long. He's just got to go back and check. Are you sure? Did I leave a drop?
Mine didn't. He's gonna go up. He's biting.
Oh, he's eating your hair, Hudson. Why is he eating your hair?
I think he thinks it's nectar.
He's cleaning you.
He's cleaning your hair out for you.
Okay, thank you.
No need for you to take a shower tonight.
There's no bugs in there.
Okay, you getting all those bugs out there? There he goes.
Okay.
Yeah, he's cleaning your hair again. Yeah, I think he's just counting you as family here. Now he's doing his dance too, and cleaning your hair. Okay.